Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna review the latest diecast release from Masdi, and it was this item right here. This is the McLaren Senna that having a Brazilian style tribute to the name of the car that honoring which Ayrton Senna, the three-time Formula One world champion from Brazil and a Brazilian hero. So this is one of the latest Masdi release. As you can see, the packaging was exclusive and it was surprisingly cheap. I got this one pre-ordered from my friend in Facebook. This one I only got 215,000 rupiah, so that's about well, I will put in the description in a dollar currency. So as you can see, this is the packaging itself. You can see the car in here. You can see the silhouette of Ayrton Senna in here, the Senna name of the car, and some Chinese language in there. This is the code and this is the brand. The packaging was exclusive. It's look like exclusive, but it's to be regular release. So yeah, this one got Senna, it's McLaren, Masdi, and this is the backside. It's official license by McLaren and some kind of noticing and the UPC in there. So let's open it, shall we? So this one, it was the McLaren Senna based on the McLaren Special Operation that it was debut at Monaco 2024, which last year, to tribute for Senna 30. So this one alongside with the McLaren MCL 38, the car was debuted at Monaco Grand Prix last year to commemorate six-time achievement by Ayrton Senna in Monaco. And this is the car, you can see it. I will zoom it first. So as you can see, there are some difference, right, from the looks. Yes, this one I've been swapped the wheel. So yeah, the original wheel was actually in black. I will giving you a minute. So this is the original wheel. As you can see, it got the disc brake, but the disc brake has been broken because I was twisted with the pliers. So yeah, it's black painted. Then because for me it's not quite special, so I swap it with this one. The wheel itself was made by P64. It was by Parvus model, sub-brand of the Parvus, that specifically to make the resin wheel model. You can see it in here. It's very highly detailed. So this is very good to be known. Now I will review the details of the car. I will zoom it again. So as you can see, the front look here. Sadly, you can see there's no McLaren logo in the middle. And then we got some clear plastic lens in the headlight details, both also got. You can see it here. And then we got some intercooler too. Yeah, you can see it here. Got some intercooler too and some fan detail in there, which is not a hole, but yeah, I think you're quite having a hole, but only painted black. Yeah, I think that's the camera didn't want to focus, but yeah. And as you can see in this side here, we got the number 8 tampo and some line in here, a silver tampo in there. The turn signal detail, you can see it in there, both which replicate the Senna front headlight, which full of fan to aerodynamic reason. And on the front part here, you can see there's a Senna logo, very iconic, with carbon fiber details in there, which is a tampo, not real carbon fiber. And this one got some fan details too. Yeah, it's only painted black. And you can see it's replicate Brazilian style, Brazilian flag, as the Senna signature Brazilian, with the yellow and green gradient combination. Move to the side. Yes, I said in the first, the wheel was actually I swapped with P64. This one is the OEM McLaren Senna wheel. The size was staggered. The front is 10.2 millimeters and the rear was 10.8 millimeters. You can see the details also of the wheel. It's very highly detailed. Got the disc brake, the calipers, and the painted nuts in the middle. And on the side here, you can see the gradient combination of green and yellow of Brazilian. It's still across all the car. In the side fan right here, it's actually painted black in the inside there. And McLaren Senna iconic, this one in the window on the down of the door. Which you can see, this is the McLaren Senna signature. It's full of aerodynamic reason. That's why the shape of the car, it was quite weird for me. Yes, I'm actually, to be honest, not a big fan of this McLaren, but yeah, there's a reason why they make the Senna look like this. It's to handle on the circuit, on any track, anywhere. You can see the mirror here. This is a piece of plastic, it's not a rubber, so be careful with that. And you can see there's a Senna silhouette right here on the rear fender. And because the wheel it was resin, it's not rolling, I using the glue tack. You can see it. Yes, if you said is it roll or not, yep, it's not rolled, but it was because just I'm using this car only to photography reason and not to use in the Hot Wheels track, so I didn't care so much about rolling. And now going to the rear side, you can see it here. This is also an aerodynamic reason, you can see it. This one is for the air ventilation details. You can see the engine details too in there. This is also a fan. I mean the real one is, this is also part of a fan to flow of the air. And then the spoiler here, so huge, very huge spoiler with Senna name and Senna logo on the left and right side. You can see, yes. This is the exhaust details, you can see it. It's only, yeah, it's only painted, but they shape it very well, very good. The one that was concerned me when I'm seeing for the first time, it was where the tail light. And then I realized the tail light is only there. You can see it. It's only with the painted very thin red line they put under, which from this it doesn't quite look, but when you put the car to the down, you can see it. It's quite look, but very thin. You can see the details of the turn signal in the rear. Then the diffuser, the black diffuser, and the number plate placement. To be honest, Mazda was cast this thing very good. The proportion was, to be honest, good. It's not weird to be looked. And if you want to compare it, the only, until now, the only brand that make Senna standard like this one, not the GTR or the LM, it was Mini GT and Mazda, if I'm not wrong. So if you want to compare it, you can compare it with Mini GT. But since Mini GT is an old release, in some variation, it's quite hard to find. So yeah, Mazda was the alternative for all of you if you want to collecting McLaren Senna. This is very good, to be honest. You can see the details, the sharp of the casting, the body line was accurate, it's spot on, all of it. And yeah, like I said, this is the based on the McLaren Special Operation Senna that was part of use in the Monaco tribute, Senna 30 tribute at 2024 Monaco Grand Prix, alongside with MCL38. Which the MCL38 I'm still waiting, maybe Mini GT will making it in the future with this livery. Yeah, I think it will be a good pair up with this car. So oh yeah, I forgot one thing. You may be wondering what the base made. This one, it was a metal base, so it's very heavy. very solid on hand. It's a metal base, you can see it. Yeah, I think overall this model is good. It's very good and it's worth to collecting if you are a McLaren fan. So yeah, I think that's it. Thanks for watching and keep happy collecting, guys.